Hey, what's up YouTube? Really quick, I want to do a quick video for you on some hood struts for the RD1, or the first gen CRV, I should say. That was really simple, easy to do. I'm not going to do like an install video because it literally took me like 10 minutes and I can explain just going over it, and it comes with a nice set of instructions. So I'll show you it. It's on my 2000 CRV, and as you can see, it's dirty right now. Apologize for that, but the hood line closes good like it does, you know, when it was basically with the OEM prop rod. Got no issues there. We'll go around here and pop the hood. Pops right up as it should, no problems. Latches as it should, no issues, comes up. And then about halfway starts to lift itself. These things are wonderful. They actually raise the hood a little bit more too. Gives you a little bit more space, which I love, especially when you're working on the engine or just need to see. So basically what it was it comes with all the hardware. You take out the two 10mm bolts, you put this plate on, make sure you're facing, you know, with the nub side towards your fender and going up to the hood, or the hood line in the inside. And you're basically going to loosen, you can do this with the prop rod on. I did this one, by myself, and I basically loosened the hood, let it sit for, sit down there just pretty easy and settle. Then lifted it back up, hand thread these in, push this bracket all the way over to the inside, and then tightened it down. Came over, did the same thing to the passenger side, pushed it in towards the hood line, tightened it down. It comes with the two 10mm bolts, a little bit longer. Then you're going to take your 10 mil and you're basically going to pull out your old, basically the same thing, old fender bolt. And then you're going to put in new, this is 12 mil, comes a new washer, little nub on top of this. You tighten it back down on each side. The struts are going to come with these two pieces off. You're going to screw them on, tighten them a little bit by hand, maybe give them a little crank if you want with pliers. Don't really need it. They stay pretty stationary with the lock clips. And you leave these lock clips on. You don't got to mess with them. And then basically you got the smaller side up at the top. You push it down, clicks in this lock clip. You have no issue. Same thing over here. This side turns a little bit so when the hood closes. And it's as simple as that, guys. And the prop rod is gone. Basically, if you want to remove it, what I did, it's right over here. This end has no little nub or anything in it. It's actually just sitting inside this plastic retainer. And you're going to want to take it basically from out here very easily. You take it, you just draw it all the way over to the front of your hood. And when you do that, you'll be able to wiggle it and pull it straight out without damaging anything. Then take a little flathead screwdriver, pop this out, and then this little nub, you're just going to turn over to the right or the left, and you'll be able to slide it right out without breaking anything. So that way you can retain your OEM rod if you still want to keep it. All the pieces are in good shape. Put it in a bag somewhere, tape it up, whatever you want to do, box it up. That way you still have it, or toss it, whatever you want to do. I figured that was simple, quick, easy way for a nice little mod, and it definitely helps you out when you're doing any work on the CRV for hood clearance. So hope that helps, YouTube. Put a link down below too in the comment, or sorry, the description, to where I picked it up on Amazon. All right, have a good one.